Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited that you guys decided to click on another one of my videos. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a sneak peek on how I achieve my signature chunky twist out style featuring Afro Sheen. Enjoy. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you can be notified when I post a video. Okay, now let's get into it.
Two things, my dream and my faith. Faith is the belief in things that you cannot see. You can never lose faith. That's the key. You have to believe in something that you can't see. You have to believe when you don't see no way how. You have to buckle down and keep believing. Because I know if I quit, it cannot happen. If you stay with it, you have no idea what can happen for you.